If you're building apps powered by GPT, Claude, or open-source LLMs like Llama, then you've probably realized calling an LLM isn't enough. You need context, chaining, tools, memory, and sometimes even agents that can think like a developer. This video is for developers and architects ready to go beyond playgrounds and start building modular, production-ready LLM applications using LangChain. LangChain is an open-source framework that lets you connect large language models to tools, memory, databases, and more. Pause for a second and drop in the comments. What kind of LLM-powered app are you building or thinking of building? Let's start hands-on. Here's a prompt using LangChain's ChatPromptTemplate. With invoke, it behaves like any LLM component. How are you currently managing prompts? Using plain strings? Custom classes? Drop a comment. Here's the real power using LCEL. LangChain Expression Language. We can build clean, readable chains. Every component is a building block. Plug and play. What if you want your app to remember what the user said last time? Here's how to integrate memory. Curious, are you using memory yet? If not, what's stopping you? Let us know in the comments. LangChain also supports tools and agents. In this example, we connect GPT-4 to a search API. The agent decides when to call it. What use case resonates most with you? Tell us in the comments. Maybe we'll do a deep dive in a future video. LLMs, they don't actually know your private documents. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, solves that by searching over embeddings and then injecting the results right into the prompt. What vector database are you using, or maybe evaluating? Drop a note in the comments. Let's crowdsource best practices together. Here's the full RAG chain. Context retrieval meets GPT in a single pipeline. Have you hit any performance bottlenecks or scaling challenges with LLMs? Let us know. We might be able to help. These tools help take your LangChain apps from prototype to production. Which one excites you most? LangChain is more than just a library. It's really an ecosystem. Whether you're building chatbots, co-pilots, search engines, or agents, it's here to help you go faster and further. If you found this useful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more hands-on LLM app development, and comment your use case or any blockers you're facing. Want code templates? Just drop a fire emoji in the comments.